Have you ever imagined waking up to find notifications of money flowing into your account without having to squeeze into a crowded train or get stuck in office-bound traffic on a gloomy morning? Welcome to this deep dive into the reality of passive income in 2026, where the internet is no longer just a place for entertainment, but has become a digital gold mine for those who know how to swing the pickaxe. Many people get trapped in the fantasy that passive income means money falling from the sky without any effort, when the harsh reality is that passive income is actually delayed work. You build a system with all your might at the beginning so that the system eventually works for you 24 hours a day without stopping. Today, we aren't going to talk about get-rich-quick schemes or shady investments promising nonsensical returns. Instead, we are going to dissect 5 realistic, faceless paths that anyone can start, even if you are currently a busy employee or student. The first high-potential path is building a digital template empire. The need for efficiency is exploding right now as thousands of new small businesses emerge every day. They all need fast visual content without having to hire expensive designers. If you can create aesthetic Canva templates or functional Notion database systems, you are selling a solution that people will seek for years to come. Imagine only needing 10 to 20 hours to research trending designs, uploading them to marketplaces like Etsy or Creative Market, and letting their algorithms connect your products with buyers from all over the world while you enjoy your weekend with family. The second path is often underestimated despite its incredible long-term potential, becoming a digital asset contributor for stock photo and video sites. The global creative industry needs millions of short clips and authentic photos every day for social media ads. Simple assets like a rainy atmosphere filmed from a window or a clean workspace photo can become passive money machines if you consistently upload them in high volumes. The key here isn't about having a camera worth thousands of dollars, but about the ability to capture moments that have commercial value for advertisers looking for content that feels human and relatable. Next, we move to the third path, educational affiliate marketing. This focuses on providing value where you don't need to be an influencer showing off a luxury lifestyle. Instead, you act as an honest product curator by creating faceless review videos or comparison articles that help potential buyers make the right decision. This strategy is powerful because, in an era of information overload, people value sincere and helpful recommendations. Every click on your link isn't just a transaction. It's a form of trust converted into commission without you ever having to worry about inventory or shipping. The fourth path is a classic strategy that remains highly relevant. Investment instruments based on interest and dividends, such as index funds or government bonds. While they may seem slow at first, they possess the power of compounding interest that can multiply your assets over the long term, provided you have the discipline to set aside a portion of your active income every month. This is the purest form of passive income because your money is truly working hard in the capital markets while you focus on other things. However, remember that patience is key. This investment is a marathon, not a sprint that gives instant results overnight. The final path, the pinnacle of digital assets, is creating knowledge products like ebooks or short digital guides that summarize a specific expertise you possess. In 2026, structured information is far more valuable than the free, random information scattered across the internet. If you know how to fix something or have specific productivity tips, packaging them into a neat PDF and selling them at an affordable price is the best way to build an income stream with profit margins near 100%, as there are no physical production costs. But let me emphasize once again, all these paths require deep research and high consistency in the first 3 months before you see significant results. The internet is cruel to those who just try things out without a clear strategy. Don't be tempted by the big numbers others show off without seeing the blood, sweat, and tears behind them. Healthy passive income is built on the foundation of the value you provide to others, not just tricks to manipulate an algorithm. So, instead of being a spectator of other people's success, why not choose one path today? Learn the technical side as deeply as possible and start creating your first digital asset. Every small step you take now is a valuable investment in your future financial freedom. Remember, time will pass whether you build something or not. It's better to be tired now to enjoy the results later than to work hard for the rest of your life because you never built a system to take your place. If this discussion opened your eyes, don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button and sharing it with friends who might need motivation to get started. Write in the comments which path you think is the most challenging to try first so we can discuss the technical execution further. Thank you for listening to this long narration until the very end. Your attention is a valuable asset for the growth of this channel. I'll see you in the next discussion on financial strategies and digital opportunities that will totally change the way you view money and time.